Today, I am thrilled to introduce 15 amazing kitchen gadgets that will make your life a lot easier. These tools are not just about convenience. They are about elevating your kitchen game to a whole new level. This 5-in-1 electric cheese grater is a versatile kitchen tool featuring 5 interchangeable stainless steel blades for fine shredding, coarse shredding, chopping, thick slicing, and thin slicing. Perfect for slicing or shredding vegetables, fruits, and cheese, it effortlessly handles ingredients like carrots, potatoes, cucumbers, and nuts, and even makes bread and cracker crumbs. Powered by a 150W motor, this electric grater speeds up prep time, making cooking more convenient. With an easy-to-use design, simply place your ingredients into the feeding tube and press a button for one-touch operation, shredding directly into your salad bowl. Its compact design saves countertop space, and the detachable blades are easy to clean under running water or in the dishwasher. This whimsical honey jar is designed to look like a cute little bee, adding a delightful touch to any kitchen countertop. Made from high-quality iron with glass container, it comes with a honey dipper, which is perfect for drizzling honey over toast, tea, or desserts without making a sticky mess. Apart from honey, you can also use this jar for maple syrup, agave syrup, molasses, jam, caramel and more. It is ideal for both everyday use and as a charming addition to a breakfast table setup. This cutting board is a true multitasking powerhouse. It's crafted from durable, eco-friendly bamboo, and it features built-in containers underneath that slide out easily, making it simple to collect your chopped veggies or freshly grated cheese. The board also comes with interchangeable graters for shredding, slicing, and julienning ingredients right on the board. This design helps you streamline meal prep by keeping everything in one place, minimizing mess, and reducing the need for multiple kitchen tools. This clever tool allows you to strip corn kernels off the cob quickly and efficiently. The serrated sharp blade of the stripper allows you to remove corn from the cob in one quick twisting motion while the attached container catches the kernels as you go, keeping your workspace clean and tidy. It's a time saver, especially when you're preparing corn for salads, salsas, or freezing for later. It is suitable for use at home, in restaurants, and more. This round tortilla press is a traditional yet highly effective tool designed to help you create perfectly round and evenly flattened tortillas at home. Crafted from sturdy, high-quality hardwood, this press is not only functional but also adds a rustic charm to your kitchen. The smooth wooden surface ensures that your tortilla dough won't stick, making it easy to release each tortilla after pressing. Simply place a ball of dough between 2 sheets of wax paper, press down firmly on the top handle, and voila! Perfectly shaped tortillas in seconds. Ideal for making corn and flour tortillas, this press can also be used to prepare other flatbreads like arepas or homemade dumpling wrappers. This cooking oil sprayer is a handy kitchen gadget for controlling the amount of oil you use when cooking. Simply fill it with your favorite oil, and spray a fine mist onto your pans, salads, or baked goods for a more health-conscious way to cook. It's perfect for air fryers, grilling, roasting, and more, providing just the right amount of coverage without overpouring. Made from food-grade materials, it's reusable and eco-friendly, eliminating the need for store-bought aerosol sprays. This nutcracker combines elegance and functionality with its sturdy construction and easy-to-use design. Made from heavy-duty metal, it features a non-slip grip and a powerful hinge mechanism to effortlessly crack the toughest of nuts, from almonds to walnuts. Its sleek design adds a touch of style to your kitchen tools. This premium grain mill is built for home bakers who value freshness and quality in their flour. With its powerful 450-watt motor and durable synthetic stone burrs, the NutriMill Harvest can grind everything from wheat, oats, and rice to quinoa and other dry grains. The adjustable settings let you choose from coarse to fine textures, and the compact, modern design makes it a beautiful addition to any kitchen. Freshly milled flour retains more nutrients and flavor, perfect for artisanal breads and other baked goods. This multifunctional sandwich maker allows you to grill, toast, and press a variety of foods, from paninis and sandwiches to meats and vegetables. With a high power output of 1400 watts and double-sided heating technology, this sandwich maker ensures quick cooking. Featuring non-stick grill plates, adjustable temperature controls, and a floating hinge for even cooking, it's a versatile addition to any kitchen. The compact size takes up very little counter or cabinet space, making your grill easy to store. The press grill's cool touch handle and non-slip feet keep you safe while in use. It's ideal for small kitchen spaces, dorm rooms, and offices. This smartly designed drain rack is perfect for drying dishes in tight kitchen spaces. It features an extendable base, allowing you to customize the size based on the number of dishes you need to dry. The raised ribs on the rack prevent water from pooling under plates and bowls, while the integrated spout directs water back into the sink. It also includes a dedicated holder for cutlery and glasses, making it easy to keep your countertop dry and organized. These bowls are designed to keep food warm for up to 4 hours and cold for up to 6 hours, making them a healthy, hassle-free option that preserves nutrients and taste without the need for reheating. Whether it's soup, stew, or a fresh salad, the bowls ensure your food stays ready to enjoy at the ideal temperature. The secure, leak-proof lid prevents spills, while the wide opening allows for easy eating directly from the bowl or transferring food to plates. Available in 3 convenient sizes, 1 quart, 2 quart, and 2.6 quart, they're perfect for daily use and suitable for busy moms, special diets, and picky eaters. This space-saving trash bin features a sleek, slim design that fits neatly in small kitchens, bathrooms, or offices. The soft closing lid minimizes noise, while the foot pedal provides hands-free operation, promoting hygiene. The removable inner basket makes it easy to change liners and clean the bin, and the anti-slip base ensures stability. Its compact design and practical features make it perfect for any modern home. This manual food chopper is a fantastic tool for chopping vegetables, nuts, and herbs without the need for electricity. Simply place your ingredients in the container, attach the lid, and turn the hand crank to chop to your desired consistency. The sharp stainless steel blades make quick work of onions, garlic, and more, while the compact size makes it easy to store. It's a time saver for meal prep, and its simple design makes cleanup a breeze. This practical brush is designed for washing dishes without the hassle of handling slippery soap bottles. Fill the container with dish soap, and with a simple push, the soap dispenses onto the brush bristles. The sturdy bristles effectively scrub away food and grease, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip. It's perfect for cleaning pots, pans, and even sinks, making dishwashing more efficient and less messy. This manual frozen meat slicer is crafted from high-quality stainless steel and equipped with an ergonomic handle, ensuring durability and sturdiness for long-lasting use. It allows you to effortlessly slice frozen beef, lamb, ham, and vegetables, making it ideal for preparing hot pot, sandwiches, pizzas, and appetizers. With its adjustable nut, the slicer offers customizable thickness ranging from 0.25 mm to 25 mm, enabling precise slicing based on your preference or food type. Featuring a sharp alloy steel blade, 4 non-slip suction cups for stability, and a meat press cover to prevent sliding, this slicer ensures safe and smooth operation. And there you have it, 15 incredible Amazon kitchen gadgets that make kitchen chores faster and easier. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.